Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your handmade crafts with Etsy step by step clearly. Enhancing your handmade crafts on Etsy is an exciting journey. Start by researching your niche. Explore successful shops similar to yours. Take note of their product offerings and pricing strategies. Evaluate their branding and presentation. Next, focus on improving your product photography. Use natural lighting to capture your crafts. Experiment with different angles and backgrounds. Ensure the images are high resolution and visually appealing. Now, refine your product descriptions. Craft engaging narratives that highlight the unique aspects of your items. Incorporate keywords relevant to your target audience. This will help improve your visibility in Etsy search. Next, consider pricing your items competitively. Analyze similar products to determine a fair price point. Factor in costs for materials, labor, and shipping. It's also essential to offer excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages. Encourage positive reviews by following up with customers after their purchase. Now, focus on your shop's branding. Create a cohesive look with logos and banners that reflect your style. Use a consistent color palette and font throughout your shop. Next, utilize Etsy's promotional tools. Take advantage of Etsy ads to reach new customers. Consider running sales or offering discounts for special occasions. Share behind-the-scenes content to connect with potential buyers. Promote your new products and share customer testimonials. Finally, continually seek feedback and evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.